2025 Prelim Henry Park Primary School Paper 2, question 11. We have a very interesting question here and a very interesting way of solving it. So I hope you will follow me very closely. Adam cut a rope into 3 pieces. The first piece was 4.5 meters longer than 1/4 the original length of the rope. Alright, so let's start by drawing our original length. Okay, we have our bar. This is the original length. And then we have our first cut, right? The first piece was 4.5 meters longer than 1/4 the original length. So let's cut our original rope into 4 parts. Okay, so the first cut is 1/4 plus 4.5 meters. All right, how much do we have left after that? Okay, this is our remaining. Right, this is our remaining. After first cut. Now let's look at our second cut. The second piece was 3.3 meters longer than 3/5 of the remaining rope. Now we already have the remaining rope here, and then let's divide it into 5 parts, okay? And then the second cut is 3/5, so 3 out of 5 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then 3.3 meters more. And after this, how much rope do we have left? Which is our third cut, right? This is our third piece. We didn't cut, but we have a third piece here, which is the remaining length of the rope. And do we know the length? Yes, it's 8.7 meters. Now, we can start our calculation. Can you see from here? Let's call this 1U, 1U. So 2U. Can we find 2U? Yes, we can. 2U is equals to 3.3 plus 8.7, okay, which will give us 12. Right, so 1U is equals to 12 divided by 2, 6. Now, if we know 1U is 6, can we find 5U? U equals to 5 times 6, which is 30. Right, so we know this is 30. Now let's move up. This is 30 and we know this is 4.5. Now can we find this part? Let's call this 1P, all right, instead of U, because it's different units. So 3P, can we find 3P? Yes, we can. It's 4.5 plus 30. Okay, so 3P is 34.5. Let's find 1P. 34.5 divided by 3. That will give us 11.5. Now, what are we supposed to find? We're supposed to find the original length of the rope. So we want to find this length here, okay, which is a total of 4P. Oops. This is 1P. So 4P equals to 4 times 11.5. That will give us 46 meters. Alright, this is our answer. So what was the original length of the rope? Original length of the rope is 46